Labrador Retrievers are awesome. They're friendly and nice. Everyone loves their wagging tails. They're the #1 dog breed. Labradors are great family dogs. They love playing, they're good with kids, and they make everyone happy. Their beautiful fur comes in 3 colors. You can find black Labradors. Chocolate Labradors are super cuddly, and yellow Labradors are like sunshine. Labradors come from a cool place, both literally and figuratively. Their origins trace back to the rugged and beautiful landscapes of Newfoundland, a province in Canada known for its stunning coastlines and chilly climate. This region, with its harsh weather and breathtaking scenery, played a crucial role in shaping the breed we know and love today. Newfoundland, located on the eastern edge of Canada, is a place where the land meets the sea in dramatic fashion. The Labrador Sea, with its cold, choppy waters, is a defining feature of this area. It's from this sea that the Labrador Retriever gets its name, a testament to the breed's strong connection to the water. The Labrador Sea is not just a namesake, it was a playground and a workplace for these dogs. Fishermen in the region relied heavily on Labradors for their daily tasks. These dogs were more than just pets. They were essential partners in the demanding and often dangerous world of fishing. Labradors were trained to jump into the icy waters to help retrieve fishing nets and catch fish that escaped from the lines. Their strong swimming abilities and natural affinity for water made them invaluable to the fishermen. These dogs were known for their endurance and strength, often working long hours alongside their human counterparts. Imagine a Labrador, with its sleek, water-resistant coat, leaping fearlessly into the sea. This was a common sight in Newfoundland, where these dogs showcased their bravery and skill on a daily basis. Their ability to dive into the water and retrieve items made them indispensable. Labradors were not just about strength, they were also incredibly intelligent and trainable. They learned to handle fishing nets with care, ensuring that the catch was brought in efficiently. Their role in the fishing industry was a testament to their versatility and work ethic. Their prowess in swimming was unmatched. Labradors could navigate the roughest waters with ease, making them perfect companions for fishermen. Their webbed feet and powerful tails acted like rudders, propelling them through the water with grace and speed. In the 1800s, Labradors caught the attention of people far beyond Newfoundland. They were brought to England, where their reputation as excellent working dogs quickly spread. The breed's intelligence, loyalty, and friendly nature made them a favorite among the English. Labradors became a beloved breed in England, known for their gentle disposition and eagerness to please. They were not just working dogs anymore, they became cherished family pets and companions. Their popularity soared, and they quickly became one of the most sought-after breeds. Today, Labradors are known for their friendly and outgoing nature. They are great with children and make excellent family pets. Their journey from the rugged coasts of Newfoundland to homes around the world is a testament to their adaptability and enduring appeal. Everyone loves a Labrador. Labradors are very smart dogs. They can learn to do amazing things. They help people in lots of ways. Guide dogs are really important. They help people who can't see. Labradors are the best guide dogs. They're careful and kind. Labradors work with the police and the army too. They can sniff out danger. They are brave and keep us safe. Labradors have changed how we think about dogs. These lovable canines have a unique way of connecting with us, making them one of the most popular breeds in the world. Whether they're running freely in a park or playing fetch with their owners, their energy and enthusiasm are simply contagious. They're more than just pets. Labradors are known for their intelligence and versatility. They can be trained to assist people with disabilities, providing invaluable support and companionship. Their loyalty and dedication make them exceptional service animals. They're our friends, helpers, and heroes. Labradors are often seen working alongside rescue teams, helping to save lives in emergency situations. Their keen sense of smell and strong work ethic make them indispensable in search and rescue operations. When you look at a Labrador's eyes, you feel happy. Their expressive eyes seem to understand our emotions, offering comfort and joy. It's no wonder that they are often used as therapy dogs, bringing smiles to those in need. They're always happy to see us. The sight of a Labrador wagging its tail in excitement can brighten anyone's day. Their joyful nature is infectious, reminding us to appreciate the simple pleasures in life. They teach us about love and being loyal. Labradors form deep bonds with their owners, showing unwavering loyalty and affection. Their gentle and loving demeanor makes them perfect companions for families and individuals alike. Scientists think that dogs help us be healthier. Studies have shown that owning a dog, especially an active breed like a Labrador, can encourage a more active lifestyle. Regular walks and playtime with your furry friend can improve your physical health. Playing with a Labrador is so much fun. Their playful antics and boundless energy make every moment spent with them enjoyable. Whether it's a game of fetch or a family outing, Labradors bring joy and laughter to our lives. It can even make you less stressed. Spending time with a Labrador can have a calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety. Their presence provides a sense of comfort and security, making them wonderful companions for people of all ages. Labrador Retrievers are special dogs. They make us happy. Their playful nature and boundless energy bring joy to our lives. Whether they're chasing a ball in the park or splashing in the waves at the beach, their enthusiasm is contagious. These loyal companions are always ready for an adventure, and their happiness is truly infectious. Their love is pure and always there. Labradors have an incredible ability to sense our emotions and provide comfort when we need it most. They snuggle up to us on a lazy afternoon, offering warmth and companionship. Their affectionate licks and gentle nuzzles remind us that we are never alone. Their loyalty is unwavering, and their love is unconditional. If you're lucky enough to have a Labrador, take good care of them. Their family. Regular walks and grooming sessions are essential to keep them healthy and happy. They thrive on interaction and being part of the family. Hug them often and let them know they are cherished. Their presence enriches our lives in countless ways. Give them lots of love, attention, and of course treats. Labradors have a special place in our hearts, and they deserve to be pampered. Treats are a great way to show them how much we care. Belly rubs and playtime are their favorite activities, and they respond with wagging tails and joyful barks. Their happiness is our reward. Labradors remind us that the best things in life are furry and have 4 legs. Their playful antics and loving nature bring light to our days. Watching them jump with joy in a meadow or play with children in the yard fills our hearts with happiness. They teach us to appreciate the simple pleasures in life and to cherish every moment. They stay in our hearts forever. The bond we share with our Labradors is unbreakable. As they rest peacefully beside us during a sunset or look content while sitting on a bench, we realize how much they mean to us. Their loving paw on our lap is a reminder of the deep connection we have. Labradors leave paw prints on our hearts that last a lifetime.